Be the first to immerse yourself in the enchanting Christmas wonderland at Gardens by the Bay. This iconic event, a true highlight of the holiday season, never fails to dazzle with its mesmerizing lights, whimsical displays, and festive cheer. It's the perfect way to wrap up the year and create magical memories with your loved ones. What can we look forward to this year? From breathtaking light installations and immersive experiences to mouth-watering festive treats and delightful entertainment, Christmas Wonderland promises to be bigger and better than ever. Get ready to discover what's new, what's returning, and the surprises that will make this year's celebration truly unforgettable. I won't be talking from here onward, so you can fully immerse yourself in the live moments as they unfold. Stay with me until the end to see if this magical experience is worth a visit. Enjoy every moment, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Let's dive into the wonder together.
I don't know if there'll be snow, but this time of the year.
Where can we get the stamp? Gardens by the Bay presents Garden Rhapsody.
They must.
Alright, that's the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.